Oh, I think I'll use my non-dominant hand. I'm going to unload the dishwasher, and instead of reaching in with my right hand, I'm going to reach in with my left, and that'll give me a little bit of exercise of that physical perception and eye-hand coordination while I'm doing what would be normally a very mundane, regular day task. So here I've got all the silverware in my right hand, and I'm going to sort it out, and I'm going to place it in the silverware tray, I should say, with my left hand. So I'm taking this big wad of flatware that I've got in my right hand, and I am sorting it and placing it individually with my left hand into my silverware tray. Now I know this content is really exciting, but try to contain yourself. I am getting a little bit of a charge in my brain just from working my non-dominant hand. And then I thought, well, this might be a little bit more exciting. Gosh, she's got knives. What's she doing? Still working my non-dominant hand. I'm placing these knives, but now I've got to place them specifically in these little slots. I guess you could say that's a cognitive load increase. I'm going from generally just taking the silverware out of the tray, out of the dishwasher. Then now I'm getting more and more specific about where I have to place each individual piece, still using my non-dominant hand.